Hello everyone. So this is the Bissell vacuum cleaner. It's the Power Force Helix Table Vision. The problem with this is the drive belt broke up. So what happens? The motor is attached with the drive belt. It drives these brushes. The reason they use the belt is that the belt will slip, which will protect the motor from overheating or burn out if there is a direct connection. So for example, something gets stuck in here, the belt will slip to save the motor. So the problem with this one, the belt is worn out and broken. I've got a replacement one here. I'm going to show you how to change it. Without further ado, let's get into it. So it's got Phillips screws in here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. And there's one down here. So as you can see, the motor drive shaft is here and the belt should go in here. So this one just pulls out like that, and I believe I just get the belt in here. There you go. So it's gone through the shaft of the motor, and it's got like rough contacts, so excess of resistance to stop the belt from slipping much. Only a last tiny bit of slippage. So the next part is got this cab here where the belt will sit, so I'll just get it inside in here, and basically it's gonna be a little bit of force you have to apply to get it out in the slot. So that's how much the belt will stretch to give you that, so that it sits, and that's the pressure it will have. And this here acts as a guide, and it stops the belt from coming off. Alright, time to put the screws back in. I'll plug it in and give it a test. Alright, time to turn it on. So, I've got this video here. That's how you change the drop bell for the Bissell vacuum cleaner. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.